In just 60 seconds, launch your 3-in-1 online megastore that sells physical and digital products, plus get thousands of free buyers every day. Hey guys, Andrew King here, back at you again. Before we start today's video, scroll down and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to receive notifications about upcoming Make Money Online videos. And if you want my #1 recommendation to making money online, click the first link down below in description. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I'm gonna share with you the best Shopify alternative. I'm gonna show you the pros and cons of this alternative and why is it better than Shopify. I have made a plan right here. If you thinking about joining Shopify or you are into Shopify but you really don't want to pay monthly fees, or you have kind of a budget, I'm gonna show you the best alternative with no monthly fees. You have to take advantage of this opportunity now because this is gonna end soon and it's gonna become monthly recurring commissions. Basically, this is our plan right here for this Shopify alternative. We're gonna drive traffic from several networks, social media platforms, paid advertisement and free advertisement as well. You can drive free and paid traffic to your sales page, and once people come here, a percentage of this traffic will add to their cart and then they will purchase. Then you can hit them with the upsell later on, and if they purchase, you earn 100% commission. I'm talking about this Shopify alternative. This is the plan for the Shopify alternative that I'm gonna explain to you today, which is called ShopzPresso. Now you can go and search on it on Google. You'll see a bunch of reviews of these dudes trying to spam you with their bonuses. I'm not gonna spam you with any bonuses. I have custom made bonuses for you, but that's if you want to pick up if you want to pick up ShopzPresso via my link. But I'm gonna explain to you why is this so much better than Shopify. Basically, once you start driving traffic, you're gonna make a purchase, and that traffic makes a purchase. You get to keep 100% of the commissions. As for Shopify usually costs between $29 per month and $299 per month, which is so much expensive. This alternative, which is ShopzPresso, is worth less than $29. It's one-time fee. Plus in Shopify, once people go ahead through your funnel and they make a purchase, Shopify gets, I think, 30 cents per sale plus 2%. I know you think that's not a lot, but if you make tons of sales, Shopify will get commissions for doing nothing, which is kind of bad for you if you are making a small percentage per sale. So let's say you find a product that you want to drop ship. You grab that product is priced at $5, you want to sell it for $15. Shopify will take 30 cents for each and every sale plus 2% plus your advertisement cost if you are using paid traffic. So you have to consider all this stuff right here, plus you have to pay the $29 or $299 each and every month for Shopify. So you have to consider all these costs if you are on a budget. This is the best solution for you. It's called ShopzPresso. Let's take a look at the sales page. As I said, it has no monthly fees. You can sell physical, digital, and softwares. It's a one mega store, one click. You import thousands of products, get free traffic, you can make money. And here it's a 3-step process: access ShopzPresso account, import and add products, and step 3 is number 3, enjoy profits. There is no number 3, enjoy profits. Here we have some profits made using ShopzPresso. And if we scroll down, this is the product creator, Mosh Berry. He is a dear friend of mine, and I know that he makes really good products. He is a really good competitor to Shopify and all this stuff. He already made 3,000 sales of this within 3 days. So this is selling like crazy. People are loving it. Right here, let me just scroll down. How does this compare to other platforms? Like I said, Shopify will charge you between $29 and $199. It's basically $299. If you go to the Shopify website, you'll see that they charge from $29 to $299. And Invento takes 50% of your sales as their fees. That's massive, bro. They take 50% of your sales. So if you sell a $10 product, you only get to keep $5 and it's your own product. But in ShopzPresso, you keep $10. They don't take anything. You don't have to pay monthly fees. It has a lot of features right here. If you go and click the second link in description, it will take you down to my bonus page. Let me just talk to you about my bonuses, and then let's talk about the pricing and upsells. My first bonus is gonna be exclusive for the first 50 people that click the link in description, the second link in description. I'm gonna give you 50 done for you products to plug to your ShopzPresso. If you don't have any products you can sell, I'm gonna give you 50 hot products that you can plug to your ShopzPresso right away. My second bonus is gonna be hack 5 secret hidden traffic sources for your megastore. I'm gonna show you how to drive traffic to your megastore. These are hidden traffic sources. No one's gonna reveal this to you. My third bonus is gonna be how to boost your sales by 56%. Obviously, in dropshipping, the conversion is going to be around 2 to 3%. Some people get as high as 5%. I'm going to show you on how to boost your sales up to 10%. And you're going to make a ton of money like that with tweaking your store with simple tricks. I'm going to show you that in my fourth bonus. And in my third bonus, sorry. My fourth bonus is going to be a hack on how to rank on Google page number 1. I'm going to show you on how to rank for specific products. Let's say you are selling a product that is popular on Amazon. I'm going to show you on how to outrank Amazon to the first spot of Google. My last bonus is going to be a tutorial on how to sell this as a service, because it's going to give you agency rights. You can add products from other vendors, you can add vendors, and then they can log in and add their own products inside the platform, which is really great. You can go and click the link that will take you to my bonus page, which is going to be the second link in description. Once you do that, click and go to the sales page. You can check out the demo and all of these information right here. And if you choose to pick this up, I'm gonna talk to you about the prices. The front end price is gonna be $19. I believe it went up to $20. Let me just click and check it out. Yeah, it's $20. It's not $19. For some reason, it says $19 here. Basically, you can get this product for $20 right now. You're gonna get premium access to ShopzPresso. Once you pick up your ShopzPresso, you're gonna get all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly. The second or the first upsell is gonna be the unlimited version of ShopzPresso. I believe the front end version is limited to 10 products. You can only add 10 products to your store. So the unlimited version, which is gonna be the first upsell, it's gonna be $39. This is not monthly recurring payments. You only have to pay this once. So it's if you combine these two, it's less than $70, which is really cheap. Now the third or the second upsell is gonna be $197. They're gonna give you done for you products. You don't need the done for you products because I got you covered in my first bonus. I'm gonna give you 50 done for you products. You definitely don't need this. And as you can see, we have a pop-up right here for $2 discount. You can click here once you visit the page via my link, and you're gonna get this for $17 rather than $20, which is really cool. You get to save $3. Let's go back to the price and upsell. You might want to pick up the first upsell. Definitely pick up the front end. It's a no-brainer. Plus you're gonna get all my bonuses. If you click on the second link in the description, you're gonna get access to all my bonuses free of charge and delivered to you instantly once you pick up the front end version. Pick up the unlimited version if you want to add unlimited stores, if you want to add unlimited products. Definitely pick up the first upsell. The second upsell, it's not necessary. I got you covered in my first bonus. The third upsell, again, it's not necessary. It's $57. They're gonna give you done for you traffic. I already showed you how to get traffic in my bonus number 2. Here we have the endless profits. You're gonna get access to endless profits for $67, which is gonna be the upsell number 4. You don't need that. And if you want to sell this product as your own, it's gonna be the upsell number 5, I believe. Yes, you're gonna get access, or you're gonna be able to sell this product as your own. So if you send traffic to this page right here, you're gonna get 100% commission on all of these right here. It's gonna cost you $197. You're gonna earn reseller rights for $197. So definitely pick this up if you want to sell this product as your own. And lastly, let me just talk to you about the white label rights. They're gonna give you access to all Moshberry previous products. I believe he has like 20 or 30 products. You can sell them as your own and make 100% commission. Is gonna be $1,000. You don't need all this shit. Basically, you just need the front end and the unlimited version if you want to have unlimited products on your store. That's basically my Shopify alternative video. If you like that, please go scroll down, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear your opinion about this product. I know it's great because I picked it up and I'm using it myself to get traffic, and I'm not using Shopify because it's too much expensive and it's not newbie friendly. Basically, this one is the best Shopify alternative so far. So if you like this video, again, go and click on the like button and subscribe and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.